Hello, my name is Fiset-Algarvio, and here is my Fibonacci clock, or Fibo Clock for short. For this project, I'm using an 18 mega 328 chip, 2 shift registers, 5 tricolor LEDs, and an RTC. What the circuit does is that it displays the time to an accuracy of 5 minutes using the 5 tricolor LEDs. The 5 LEDs represents the first 5 digits of the Fibonacci sequence: 1, 1, 2, 3, and 5. How it works is that when an LED is either red or blue, those LEDs would represent the hours, and then when the LED is green or blue, those LEDs represent the minutes. So how to calculate time is that you add up all the red and all the blue ones to give the hours digit, and you add up all the green ones and blue ones to give the minutes, and then you multiply by 5 to give the actual minute value, and that's the time. So since there's more than one way of displaying the same value, for example, there's 16 different ways of displaying 630. I've set a randomizer so that the clock can go through all 16, for example. And for every 5 minutes, there's a new set of colors, a new set of LEDs so that it shows the time to an accuracy of 5 minutes. So we're gonna do a quick demo here. So you can see, there's one green LED, so that's 1, and 1 times 5 is 5, so there's 5 minutes in the time. And then there's 2 red LEDs, so that means it's 2 plus 3, and then 2 plus 3 is 5, so the hours must be 5, so the time must be 5:05. And as I check my watch, you can see that it is 5:05. Here is my code for the Fibo clocks, so let's go through it. Here's some variables for the shift register, random number, LEDs, and some other things. Here's the array of possible values or sets of LED values to be shown on the LEDs for each hour, or for each time slot, sorry. Here are some, I set some pins to output because I need it. I've set the RTC to take seconds, minutes, and hours. I turn it into an AM and PM clock. If the minutes is a multiple of 5 as shown here, as calculated here, and seconds is 0, that's where it changes. It tells the circuit to change to a new time set. So what happens is that LEDs all turn off for now, and then one of the values up top will be changed depending on the random number and the hour, and then it expands that value into the LED, to the 5 LEDs, and then that's for the hours, and it does the same thing for the minutes, so it can determine if it's going to be nothing, red, green, or blue for the LED. And then I take the value of those LEDs and I put it into one single value, and then I disperse it into the 2 shift registers to be shown on the LEDs. And then it waits 1 second so that it doesn't do it multiple times in less than 1 second. And then down here is just to translate from BCD to DEC, and then vice versa. And that's my code. Thanks for watching.